Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to add a mask in Davinci Resolve free version and Davinci Resolve 18. Okay, just I'm dragging my video here. You can see this is my video and I'm adding another. You can add video or image easier. I'm adding image. Okay, then you can see I need mask this background and only show this one. Okay. Then we go to this color tab. Then here we can simply click this one. You can see this one is mask option. Click here. Then you can choose different one. I'm choosing this box type because this is box. So I'm choosing this. So boxes come here. Then simply drag like this. It's not a perfect method, but I'm teaching you the basic things. Okay. Then this one. Come here. This one. Here. I simply set that. Then come here. Right click here. Then you can see there is no blue dot. So we are adding that blue dot, alpha output. Click here, add alpha output. Then there is a blue dot. Just click here. Then drag to this line to this one. Yes, successfully added masking. Very simple. Okay. Then go to here. Now it is on my face. I'm going and select this image. I'm going to this transform area and choosing this X option for moving like this. Simple, guys. Very simple. Then just play it. That's it. Very simple Davinci Resolve masking. Okay, it's the basic masking. Okay, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for getting more videos like this. Okay, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch. Thank you so much. Bye bye.